Welcome to Tour the World. In our last video, we explored Gdansk, a beautiful city in Poland by the Baltic Sea. We showed you the stunning Gothic architecture of Gdansk, with real drone footage capturing its landscapes. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out on our YouTube channel. So far, we've journeyed through 4 countries: Finland, Sweden, Estonia, and Poland. Today, we're taking you to Warsaw, a vibrant city in Poland. It took us 4 hours by car from Gdansk to Warsaw. Warsaw is the capital and largest city of Poland, with a population of 1.86 million. This city has a rich history. Warsaw served as the de facto capital of the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth from the 16th century until 1795. The new town of Warsaw has very tall buildings compared to other Baltic countries. Many of these tall buildings are made of glass, showcasing amazing architecture. The streets and roads are very clean. The area is less crowded than the old town, providing a more relaxed atmosphere for exploring its quaint shops, cafes, and green spaces. It's also close to the international railway station in Warsaw. I then walked from the new town towards the old town and witnessed many historic buildings. After less than a 30-minute walk, I reached the Royal Castle in Warsaw. It symbolizes the nation's rich history and resilience. Originally built in the 14th century as the Polish monarch's residence and the government seat of the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth, it has undergone numerous reconstructions, especially after its destruction in World War II. Nearby, the iconic Sigismund's column honors King Sigismund III Vasa, who moved the capital from Krakow to Warsaw. The castle overlooks the Vistula River, providing a scenic backdrop. Close by is St. John's Archcathedral, one of Warsaw's oldest and most important churches, showcasing Gothic architecture. The Royal Route, a historic street lined with Renaissance to Baroque buildings, connects the castle to other key landmarks like the Presidential Palace and Łazienki Park. This bustling thoroughfare is frequented by hundreds of tourists exploring its shops, cafes, and historical sites, offering a vibrant glimpse into Warsaw's past and present. Overall, the Royal Castle and its surroundings blend history, culture, and architecture, making it a must-visit destination in Poland's capital. Luckily, when we traveled to Warsaw, it was New Year's Eve. We captured some moments of the fireworks near the city center area. With this, we end our Polish series. In our next video, we will take you to Istanbul, the great city of Turkey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tour the World.